Well, it's the age of artificial intelligence. So it seems that if I just use the old method, like me teaching certain concept and type it out, it seems a little bit old-fashioned and too, textbook-like. So you know what? I want to introduce gradually, not just dump all this AI vibe coding things to you, but I also want to use a little bit of AI and teach you how to, organic and pair coding with AI. Of course, I know a lot of you folks tend to towards using the full agent mode and ask AI and just to become a product manager, saying, hey, I want this, I want that, I do the research and then help me achieve that. It's very tempting to do that. But I think especially when you're just getting started, it's doing you more harm than good, because you can get whole projects in a very bad structure and nearly not be able to maintain. And if you don't understand this project, that's dangerous. If you delegate a lot of privilege to the AI agents without understanding what you're doing, without learning, without even get your heads around all this a Kotlin code, it become a really mess. And you will spend more time maintain and expand this code. So yeah, I want to add this AI related section and gradually add AI pair coding stuff to this bootcamp, so you guys can enjoy the help of AI, but also do it in a responsible and maintainable, expandable, and responsible way.